If you've been wondering whether you can set daily backups using Bluehost tools, the short answer is that Bluehost's basic backup option is automatic, but it is not something you can simply switch from weekly to daily inside the standard settings. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly where to look, what Bluehost currently offers, and what your options are if you need more frequent backups for your website. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple website and hosting guides. Let's get into it. First, log into your Bluehost account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the Websites section. This is where Bluehost keeps the main controls for the sites connected to your account. Click Websites, and then find the website you want to manage. If you have more than one site, make sure you choose the correct one so you don't end up checking the wrong backup settings. After you've found your site, click Manage Site. This opens the settings and tools for that specific website. From there, look for the Backups option. This is the area where Bluehost shows the backup tools available for your account. When you open Backups, you should see the basic weekly backup option listed. Now this is the important part. Bluehost automatically creates backups, but the basic backup system runs on a weekly schedule. That means it is managed by Bluehost. And in the standard tool, you do not get a simple setting to change that schedule to daily. So if you were hoping for a button that lets you switch weekly backups to daily backups, you won't find that in the basic backup section. What you should do next is take a careful look at your account and see whether Bluehost offers any higher frequency backup option for your plan. Depending on your hosting package or any add-ons you've purchased, there may be another backup solution available that gives you more frequent restore points. If daily backups are important for your site, especially for e-commerce, membership sites, or busy blogs, that's something you'll want to confirm before relying on weekly backups alone. It's also a good idea to understand what backups are actually protecting. Backups can help you recover your site if something goes wrong, like a broken update, a plugin conflict, an accidental deletion, or even a security issue. But if the backup only runs once a week, that means any changes made after the last backup may not be included. So the more often your site changes, the more important it is to have a backup schedule that matches that activity. If you do not see a daily backup setting inside Bluehost, don't assume something is broken. In this case, it simply means the basic backup feature is limited to its default schedule. Your next step should be to check the backup options available on your account. Review any premium services Bluehost may offer, or consider using a separate backup plugin or external backup service if you need daily protection. So to recap, here's the process. Log into Bluehost, click Websites, find your site, open Manage Site, and then click Backups. Look for basic weekly backup, and remember that Bluehost automatically handles this backup, but the schedule cannot be changed to daily from the basic tool. If you need daily backups, you'll need to check for a higher frequency option on your account, or use an additional backup solution. If this video saved you time, please tap like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Bluehost tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.